Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
How to set up two-step verification to secure your Telegram account in 2024. By implementing two-step verification on your Telegram account, you can add a powerful shield against unauthorized access, safeguarding your privacy and peace of mind. With the threat of hackers and unauthorized access lurking around every corner, ensuring the security of your personal information is critical. This is especially true regarding popular messaging applications like Telegram, where sensitive conversations and data often reside. In this video, we'll explore the importance of robust security measures, specifically focusing on the powerful protection offered by two-step verification and guiding you through its seamless implementation on your Telegram account. Keep watching as we navigate the path toward enhanced Telegram security. So what exactly is two-step verification? Imagine logging into your Telegram account, potentially on a new device. Usually, you just enter your phone number and a verification code. With two-step verification, an additional step is added, a password or recovery code. Think of it as needing both a key and a combination to unlock your digital door. This significantly increases the difficulty for unauthorized individuals to gain access, even if they somehow acquire a verification code. Telegram's two-step verification methods. Password. Create a strong, unique password that acts as your second barrier alongside the verification code. Recovery code. This code serves as a backup option in case you forget your password. Be sure to store it securely and preferably offline. Now that you understand the power of two-step verification, let's delve into the easy process of enabling it on your Telegram account. How to enable two-step verification on Telegram. Here's a detailed guide for both mobile and desktop users. Mobile app. Open the Telegram app, select Settings, and then navigate to Privacy and Security. Under the Security section, tap on two-step verification. Choose Set Password and create a strong, unique password. Remember, complexity is key. Set a recovery email or phone number for added security. Desktop app. Open the Telegram desktop app and click on the menu in the top left corner. Select Settings and then click on Privacy and Security. Under the Security section, click on two-step verification. Choose Set Password and create a strong, unique password. Set a recovery email or phone number for added security. Important notes. Remember your password. Treat your two-step verification password like a valuable key. Don't share it with anyone and store it securely. Recovery code. Keep your recovery code safe and accessible. Print it out or store it in a password manager, but not online. Active sessions. After enabling two-step verification, you'll see a list of your active sessions. Consider terminating any you don't recognize. With these simple steps, you've successfully activated two-step verification on your Telegram account, adding a powerful layer of protection against unauthorized access. How to change your password and recovery email. Keeping your account security up to date is crucial, and that includes periodically changing your password and recovery email. Here's how to do it. Changing your password on Telegram. On your mobile app, open the Telegram app, select Settings, and then navigate to Privacy and Security. Under the Security section, tap on two-step verification. Tap on Change Password. Enter your current password, then create a new strong, unique password. Confirm your new password and tap Save. On your desktop app, open the Telegram desktop app and click on the menu in the top left corner. Select Settings and then click on Privacy and Security. Under the Security section, click on two-step verification. Click on Change Password. Enter your current password, then create a new strong, unique password. Confirm your new password and click Save. Changing your recovery email on Telegram. On your mobile app, follow the steps to navigate to the two-step verification section as mentioned. Tap on Change Recovery Email. Enter your new email address and tap Save. You will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm the change. On your desktop app, follow the steps to navigate to the two-step verification section as mentioned. Click on Change Recovery Email. Enter your new email address and click Save. You will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm the change. How to log into Telegram without verification code. Sometimes we might misplace important information like verification codes or recovery codes. Don't worry, even with two-step verification enabled, you still have options. Number 1. Resending the verification code. If you simply can't find the verification code you received via SMS, you can request a new one. In the login screen, tap Didn't Receive Code and select Resend Code. Remember, there's a limit to how many times you can resend within a time frame, so be patient and wait a few minutes before trying again. Number 2, using recovery options. If you set up a recovery email or phone number during the two-step verification setup, you can use them to regain access. Tap Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the prompts to receive a recovery code through your chosen method. Be sure to have access to the recovery email or phone number associated with your account. Number 3, contacting Telegram support. As a last resort, if you've exhausted all other options and can't access your recovery email or phone number, you can contact Telegram support. Explain your situation clearly and provide any relevant information they request. However, keep in mind that this process might take some time and verification might be required. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.
Before we end, let me introduce to you the world's fastest and 100% mobile responsive builder. Create landing pages, funnels, lead pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. Build your successful online business without breaking a sweat. Create beautiful web pages. Click and modify, no coding required. Create funnels with upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Grab leads and send emails. Supports all major payment gateways and memberships. 30 plus ready-made funnel and opt-in templates. Email marketing using inbuilt autoresponder. Membership system to create free or paid memberships. Easy one-click install, no coding or knowledge of hosting required. So get Cloud Funnels now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in.
I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.